Okay, to join PrintExpert, simply head over to our main website, which is expressprint.com.sg. Okay, and then scroll all the way down to membership plans. Okay, over in membership plans, you can choose the length of membership that you want to join. The minimum is 1 year. Of course, there is the trial version also. The only difference between a trial version and a paid membership is that trial version allows you to view the pricing of wholesale, but you are unable to place an order. So in order to place an order for a print product through wholesale pricing, you will need to have a paid membership. Okay, so assuming that you have already joined the member, okay, you will need to come over to PrintExpert top right hand corner. Remember, do not go anywhere else because over here all the pricing in the menu are all retail pricing. So the only place that is exclusive to the PrintExpert members are here, top right hand corner, PrintExpert, or on the browser is expressprint.com.sg/PE, which means PrintExpert. All right. So let me just show you an example. As I click here, oops, I am unable to view the pricing. Remember, we say that it's exclusive, so I need to log in, correct? So let me just log in. Okay, let me just log in. Oh, there's a lot of things which is good. Let me just log in fast and then let me head back over to the page over here. You see, it's still the same. There may be a cache problem. So all I need you to do is to refresh the page. Yep, it's here already. All right. So you can just make your normal selections. Okay, and then I just show you some examples. Okay, right. I anyhow select anything. Okay. So for 1,000 pieces of business card, it's only $19. This is before GST. All you need to do is to add to cart and then check out. Okay, let me just add to cart here. Okay, add to cart and then proceed to checkout. For PrintExpert members, right, you will need to prepare your own artwork that is a printable file. Our customer service officer and our artwork uh, team will not be able to help you in your design or in manipulating the artwork. So everything has to be done by yourself. Anyway, that is your value to your customer, right? Okay. Now, I need you to take a close look over here. The payment method for PrintExpert is only available through wallet payment. Okay, meaning that we will not be able to accept any credit card or whatsoever. Only wallet payment. So in order to make sure that your wallet payment has money, okay, you will need to come over to your account. Okay, you have to top up first over in EP wallet. Okay, and then perform a wallet top up over here. So our top up is minimum $200 and in multiple of 100. Okay, so minimally you have to top up $200. Like if you put $150, you see, the system will not allow you to top up. Okay, but if you were to put $200, okay, you are able to top up. Okay, and then you proceed to check out and pay using PayNow. Okay, so PayNow is the only way that we accept payment for you to top up. And in multiple of 100 means that you cannot top up $250, unfortunately. So if the orders that you are looking at is $295, you have to put in $300. Everything will be recorded with logging details and history of transaction. So don't worry about your money getting lost. It's over here. But I need you to understand one thing. We are not paying you any interest for money put into your account. All right. So in fact, just put appropriately on how much you need. And in case that you need to withdraw, all right, there is $100 admin fee. Okay. So if your amount is only like $50 balance in your account and you want to withdraw, technically there is no purpose because the admin fee is $100. So you still have to top up $50 in order to get back your $50. But if your account has got about $500, we will still charge you $100 for this admin fee to withdraw the balance. So once you withdraw the balance, your account, your PrintExpert membership will be closed, even though you have balance of the subscription left, it will be closed. Okay. All right. So this is the way that PrintExpert works, and I hope that you can print to prosperity. Thank you.